Hi guys, I am Lauren Boucher, and today I'm going to show you how I make stuffed peppers. They are going to be stuffed with sausage, cheese, breadcrumbs, onions, and mushrooms. So I don't have everything out, but I did pre-cut the onions. And I have a few Marsala mushrooms that I'm just gonna chop into a little bit smaller bits. Okay. The mushrooms are diced into little pieces. I don't actually know if I'm gonna need 2 peppers. So first I'm gonna wash the pepper. Next, I'm just gonna cut the top right here, and take the seeds out. You want to be a little careful not to rip open the pepper too much. Okay, so I took all the insides out. You just kind of twist the top. It did rip a little bit, but shouldn't be a big deal. And these are my onions. And feel free to use any type of onion. There's cheese. I just have pimento cheese in my house right now. You can use any type of cheese. I have 2, I believe they're Italian sausages, not 100%. Any type of sausage is really good. And also if you didn't want to use breadcrumbs, you could use rice. It is up to you. So I'm gonna put the mushrooms in the bowl. I like using a bread pan because it keeps them standing up. For the sausage, I'm just going to slice the top. So basically, I'm just gonna take the casing off. And it helps if you go all the way to the bottom. That makes it the easiest to get the casing out. All the way to the bottom, all the way to the top. And then it really should just come right off like this. See? I'm gonna wash my hands, put this cutting board away, get a spoon. We're in the mixing ingredients stage, so I turn on the oven to 350, and it's gonna cook for about 40 minutes. So I cut up kind of a lot of onion. I don't know if I'm gonna use all of this, but it will add like a nice crunch. So maybe like half a cup. And some cheese. I would say maybe like a good spoonful. So maybe this is like 2 tablespoons of cheese. Cheese is pretty good. Breadcrumbs. About a tablespoon. I'm gonna see how it looks. That's gonna help bind it together. I am just using Italian breadcrumbs. So that's what I have. You can use whatever you have on hand. So I'm gonna mix this all together. And I am gonna add some salt and pepper. Garlic salt. A little bit of pepper. I am gonna actually use this other pepper, so I'm gonna quickly cut this and take the insides out. The other pepper has been de-seeded. Going in with my hands, mixing it all up. This is what the filling looks like. Then you just stuff it in the pepper just a little bit at a time. Obviously less can go in the bottom, but really just stuff it down. Just keep stuffing. You think you can't fit more? You probably can. These look so good. This is what it looks like before. I'm gonna put them in the oven for 40 minutes, then I will come back and try them. The pepper is ready. It did take 45 to 60 minutes. You can see like the pepper got a little wrinkled, cooked down a little bit, and there will be a bunch of juices. So when you cut into it, just make sure you don't burn your mouth, because that is a risk that comes with eating stuffed peppers. The sausage pepper combination is just magic. It's so good. The onions add a little crunch. The pepper is cooked to perfection. This one did actually fall over, so it cooked a little quicker than the other one because I checked the internal temp. The internal temp of the sausage should be at 160. And these sausages have a little kick to them. It's a little spicy. This is so freaking good. It takes a hot sec, but it's pretty easy to put together. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys are doing good. Bye. When you get that creamy cheese bite, so good.